Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sarah. We're going to be talking about mascara that helps give your eyelashes a little bit more volume and length and to help you give that celebrity false eyelash look. So the first mascara I'm going to be talking about is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, Bigger, Blacker, Badder. That's the little slogan for their mascara. So first of all, I'm going to tell you guys what this mascara is supposed to do and then what I think about it. This mascara is so intense you might need a save word. Perversion Mascara glides on and gets you sexed up in one stroke, yet won't quit until you say when. Our ultra creamy lengthening and volume mascara formula coats each lash with a triple black pigment and a deeply nourishing ingredient blend for bigger, blacker, badder lashes. And I completely agree with this. I love this mascara. When you put it on, it's incredibly dark in one coat. So using two coats will make them even longer and even darker, which I love. You could use this if you want to go for a more natural look or if you want to go for that long celebrity look. I've been using this one a lot recently and I highly recommend trying it and picking it up. And I did get these in travel sizes, by the way, because I want to try them out and see which one I love the most. And these are the ones I love the most, so obviously I'm going to share with you guys. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I think that's like French or something. But this is also one of my favorites. It's kind of similar to the Perversion Mascara, but the brush is a little bit different. It is more of the same length, and the Perversion one is a little bit skinnier at the top. This mascara is supposed to give you 12 times more volume, and I definitely do see that with this mascara. You put it on and you instantly see your lashes get fluttery and beautiful, but what I do have to say with this one is a little bit more clumpery. It's a little bit more clumpy and it kind of gives you more of those spidery lashes if that's what you're into. Personally, I'm not, but it still gives them a lot of length, trust me. It's a lot of length, but a little bit spidery looking, but sometimes it can look cute, sometimes people are into that, so if you are, I would highly recommend to check this out. From Benefit, we have the Benefit Roller Lash, and this is the cutest packaging I've ever seen. It's so adorable. And this brush is the most different out of all of them. This one has a little curve, and it's super tiny. It has really tiny bristles, but personally, I'm not a big fan of Benefit's mascaras, but this one does give a really good amount of length to your eyelashes. But to me, Benefit's mascaras tend to dry really fast. Personally, I'm not a fan of that just because I like to be able to brush out my eyelashes a little bit if they're a little bit clumpy, but this does give a lot of volume. If you're into it drying fast, you can add more coats faster, then highly recommend getting this, but 100% it does give you the glamorous and long eyelashes that you're looking for. To not be too high-end, we're going to be talking about a drugstore product. This is the Covergirl Full Lash Bloom Mascara. First of all, I'm a big fan of the plastic brushes. I know sometimes people say they can hurt their eyelashes a little bit, but I'm a big fan of them because it really helps keep the brushes in place. This mascara brush really helps get that root to tip length. So if you're getting really close to the waterline underneath, right here, if you don't know what the waterline is, it's right underneath. And if you're really trying to get close, I find that this mascara really helps with that. It gets more pigment and a lot more length into your eyelashes. Also in the drugstore category, we have the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. I've used this a lot of times before and I keep going back to it. It is a very skinny brush and it does go kind of to a point. It can help get those bottom eyelashes, but I also love this applicator. It is that more haired-like, I don't know what it's called, the more haired-like texture of a mascara wand. But it does really help separate the lashes because the bristles are so tiny, just like Covergirl's, and I'm currently wearing that one today. I love it. It gives more of like a natural look, but if you want to intensify it, you can keep layering and it's not flaking or anything like that. And last but not least, some of you guys might have heard about this product because it is currently, I feel like, everybody's favorite mascara, and I do have to agree. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I do love this mascara. When I was trying on these mascaras for you guys today to show you how much length it gives my lashes, I did see that the Too Faced Better Than Sex one really helped separate my lashes and give it length at the same time. So it wasn't super clumpy, but it still gave that glamorous lift to my eyelashes and helped keep them darker. And unlike all the other ones, it has that hourglass shape. It really helps get that length in the corners of the eye and also adds volume to the middle, and I love that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below which mascara is your favorite, or if you want to try any of these mascaras, which one do you want to try? I highly recommend giving all of these a try because they're super amazing. I gave you some high-end and some drugstore ones, so you get to choose which range of price you would like to spend. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!